Okay, so I'm in Photoshop, not Photoshop Express. And this is the opening page, or if you see something else, make sure you hit home here. So I want to open, and now I'm looking at in my downloads because I already downloaded an image of the Sistine Chapel, so it should open like this. Now there's a lot of stuff. There's a reason why people do this for a living. Like, this is an enormous program. But we want to click the Band-Aid, and this is a great video to watch, talking about how you can remove things with this Band-Aid. But we're going to skip that. I'm going to just click it and come over here. I'm going to try to remove the boat. And I do think it is a bit scarier to be in here. But where Canva is easier, this is, I think, a bit better. So it took away the background, but it thinks it belongs to this. So I'm even going to take that away. I'm going to go like a layer. We're basically taking layers off. Let's say steady hand, I guess. Okay. This worked last time. I don't know why it's not working this time. Swimmer out of there. Maybe if I grab onto enough blue, we'll get the message that it's supposed to be blue. Okay. Still a little confusing. All right, so we're just doing it multiple times, so I think we're kind of getting there. Just have to teach it what we want, I think, is the key. So, all right, so we're using a web-based program here. So I think, so here the boat was here. So when you come up and you try to do like file save, or you try to share it, it's going to keep trying to share to the cloud, which is a bit annoying. So my suggestion is to make sure you have it. Let's get rid of this. To make sure you have it in the proper form. That worked nicely. My suggestion would be just to come down to the snipping tool. If you don't have it, you can type in snipping tool here. Click new, and then just grab it from corner to corner. And this is just an old friendly way to take a picture of something, and then when you save it, you can save it as, this is a PNG. It's a very friendly file. JPEG is too. So either JPEG or PNG, and then you can pop it right into Google Classroom or Google Slides or wherever you want to put it. So. All right, hope that helps.